Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a survey in the all-new Connect Live meetings. So you're going to go ahead and actually create a meeting. So we're here in the Connect Live meetings section, and you're going to click on Add Meeting. So you're going to go ahead and give the meeting a name. We'll say example, description, example, select the time, select the date. Is this recurring? You would know all of this from the previous tutorial on how to create a meeting, right? So you just go through the normal process, and on the next phase, let me click on continue. Right here where it says survey, click yes. If you don't have any surveys, you can go to create new survey. Okay, this option is always available. Click submit. So here you're at the point of creating a new survey. So we're going to say this is an example, and here are the examples of your questions. Okay, so you have the ability to rate from 1 to 5, or you can do multiple choice. So in this example, let's say I choose a multiple choice question, and my question is, what day is it today? My answers, that's just as an example of how you can, put in those options for multiple choice. When you're satisfied with that survey question, click on this little plus button right here. So now it's added. The next option, let's say I want to use a rating from 1 to 5. And normally you can just say, how awesome is this? Okay, so you can give the person an example. If they're rating from 1 to 5, you normally want to let them know which one means, really, really good, and which one means really, really bad, just to make sure you prevent any misunderstandings or assumptions. So how awesome is this? 5 being incredible, 1 being boring. And I add that, okay? So you can just continue to add your survey questions, okay? And when you're done, if you wanted to add a comment box as well, right, you could do that for a particular question. So if you wanted to actually have a comment box with that question, you just select yes, and then you click add. Okay, so that's how that's done. The next thing is you choose when do you want the survey to appear, at the end of a meeting or in a follow-up email after the meeting. Okay, so that's how that works. So when you're done, you've given it a name, you've chosen your questions, and you choose when the survey will appear. You click on the save button. Okay, so now that survey is actually saved, and for future references, if you ever want to use that survey again, whenever you create a new meeting, that will always be an option for surveys in your drop down box. Enjoy.